Hi, if your time zone settings are looking like this, which is not in a uh, enabled option to change it, that means it is grayed out or disabled. And if even if the set time zone automatically option is disabled or off, if the time zone value is showing grayed out or fixed to something, this happens mostly because if your Windows settings are managed by your work or school IT department, if that is the case, you will have to contact them to change uh, from the backend or by their system. If that is not the case, we let us check a few options to solve this. First of all, we need to check if it if the settings uh, locations settings are enabled for the uh, settings app. For that, you will have to go to settings app, then privacy and security, then location, and look for the settings app here, settings option here. Make sure this one is enabled or put to on location. This toggle is turned on. If that is not the case, open service service management tool in Windows. To open that, go to run, and in run type services.msc and click OK. The services window will open, and then in this list look for Windows time service here. Windows time service, make sure Windows time service is running or it is started. You can start and stop here. If it is disabled, open properties and look if it is in disabled state. Make it manual, then don't make it automatic, make it manual, then start it. If that also doesn't fix this issue, no need to worry. We will show you another solution. Open Windows command prompt as administrator, or in Windows 11 it will be mentioned as Windows terminal admin. Terminal admin, open this. It will be looking like this. Okay, then the command to change time zone value or Windows time values, the command used is tsutil. Type tsutil space. Don't forget to put a space in between this slash and the command. Then type L and then hit enter. Hit hit enter. It will list all the time zone values here. This is the keyword for the second line. Under each time zone is the uh, keyword for the time zone. See, in UTC plus 70 Tom SK standard time. Tom SK standard time is the keyword for the command. I mean the time zone. Here I am going to change it to uh, Indian Standard Time. So the keyword for the Indian Standard Time is India Standard Time. So the command complete command is tsutil space /s space, then open an inverted comma and type or copy paste India Standard Time without any typo or spelling mistake, and close this inverted commas. Make sure it is placed inside the inverted comma, because this India Standard Time is having spaces between the letters words. So if we do not put this inverted comma, it will taken as separate words, keywords. So to avoid it, put it within an inverted comma, so it will take as a single keyword, and hit enter. Hit enter, and the time zone setting will be changed in the settings also. It will still look grayed out. You will not be able to change these settings from the settings, but it will be changed to the time zone which you want to change it to. That's all for this video. If you find this video helpful and fixed your issue, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell button to get more videos like this, and hit the like button. And if you have any doubts or if you have any suggestion, put that in the comment box. Thank you.